Since Ramadan is very close, what about learning some phrases and words related to this holy month? Mübarek Ramazan ayına 28 gün kaldı. We still have 28 days for the holy month of Ramadan. So we can start this holy month by saying this phrase, Hoş geldin ya şehri Ramazan. Hoş geldin ya şehri Ramazan, which means welcome Ramazan, the month of Ramazan. Shehr means eye or month. When you see someone, how do you wish him a good Ramadan? Ramazan ayınız mübarek olsun. Ramazan ayınız mübarek olsun, which means let the month of Ramazan or Ramadan be a blessed one. Mübarek, blessed. The answer would be sizin de mübarek olsun. You too. De here means to. T-O-O. You too. Let it be blessed. In English, this month is said as Ramadan with a D, but in Turkish, Ramazan. We can also greet someone by saying hayırlı Ramazanlar. Hayırlı Ramazanlar, which means like good Ramadan, wish you a good Ramadan. The answer would be size de hayırlı Ramazanlar. You too. Now, oruç. Oruç, which means fasting. I have put here a couple of words and sentences about fasting. Oruç tutacak mısın? Oruç tutacak mısın? Or oruçlu musun? Oruçlu musun? Both of them mean, are you fasting? The answer would be one of these. Oruç tutacağım. I will fast. Oruç tutacağım. Oruçluyum. I am fasting. Oruçluyum. Oruç tutuyorum also comes in this meaning, I am fasting. Oruç tutuyorum. Oruç değilim or değilim. Oruç değilim. I am not fasting. Now tutmak, the verb tutmak is to grab. But here oruç tutuyorum means I am fasting. The answer would be, if you are fasting, the answer would be Allah orucunuzu kabul etsin. May Allah accept your fasting or your fast. Allah orucunuzu kabul etsin. Also, regarding fasting, you can ask him, niyetli misin? Niyetli misin comes with the same meaning, are you fasting? The answer would be niyetliyim. Niyetliyim. I am fasting. And the im here means I. It's the suffix of I. If you're still watching the video till now, drop me a comment in the comments section below telling me, Oruç tutacak mısın? Are you going to fast? Tell me yes or no. Now dua, which is making dua. Dua etmek is to make dua to Allah, of course. Dua etmek. Allah'a dua ettik. We made dua to Allah. And you can say Allah dualarımızı kabul etsin. May Allah accept our dua, our prayer, kind of a prayer. Allah dualarımızı kabul etsin. Amin. Namaz is prayer. Namaz. When do we pray? When ezan okunuyor. Ezan okunuyor. When the ezan is being read. This is the meaning of this. When you are hearing the ezan now, you say ezan okunuyor. Ezan okunuyor. The ezan is being read or said in other words. Namaz kılmak. Namaz kılmak is to perform the prayers, to pray. Namaz kıldık. Namaz kıldık means we prayed. It's the same verb, but we have the past, which is the, kıldı. Who made the prayer? K means we. Kıldık, we prayed. Teravih namazı. Teravih namazı is the prayer of the Tarawih. We have iftar. Iftar, when you break your fast, it is the same as in Arabic iftar. We can say iftar vakti geldi. İftar vakti geldi, which means the time of the iftar came, which means it is now time to eat. Sahur, it's the same, the meal that you eat before the imsak. Sahur, sahur yapmak bana daha iyi geliyor. Sahur yapmak bana daha iyi geliyor, which means eating at the sahur time makes me feel well. Or doing sahur, yapmak is to do, doing sahur, which means eating in other words, at the sahur time, bana daha iyi geliyor makes me feel better. Sahura kalkamadım. Sahura kalkamadım. I could not wake up for sahur. Kalkmak is to get up. Kalkamadım, I couldn't get up. The a over here gives the meaning of can. Ma is the negative, I couldn't. Imsak. Imsak, it's the time when you have to stop eating after the sahur. Ezan okunana kadar zikir yapıyorum. Ezan okunana kadar zikir yapıyorum. Until the ezan is read, I do zikr. And regarding this word, I have this following sentence. Ramazan imsakiyesi. Ramazan imsakiyesi, which is this one, which gives you the timing of the prayers and of the sahur and of the iftar. This is Ramazan imsakiyesi. Now we have these two words, Kadir gecesi, Kadir gecesi, which is Laylatul Qadr. Fitre, fitre is the amount you pay at the end of Ramadan. Ramazan davulcu, Ramazan davulcu is this person who wakes you up for the sahur. And the most important sentence to say, Rabbim tüm ibadetlerimizi kabul etsin. Rabbim tüm ibadetlerimizi kabul etsin. May Allah accept all our worships. Amin.